Namaste! My friend Ronaldo here volunteered to be part of today's video. Do check out our Instagram account. It will be in the description box below. Today's video is going to be about utilizing 3 simple chains and converting them into hair accessories that will go with any Indian attire. Do stay tuned for the video. Let's get started.
For the first look, gather your hair together and tie a high ponytail with a band, after which you need to twist your hair into a tight bun and secure it with a bobby pin. Like shown in the picture, you need to put the pin through the loops of the chain so that you can use it as a hairpin and secure the chain on your head. Do the same with the remaining 2 chains and place them one below the other. For the second look, gather your hair together and tie a ponytail in the middle. Twist your hair into a tight bun and secure it with a bobby pin. As shown in the picture, you would have to put the pin through the 3 chains and use the pin to hold the 3 chains by putting it exactly in the middle of the bun. Partition the chain exactly by keeping 3 on each side. One by one, pin the chain on the sides of your head. You would have to do the same on the other side as well. For the third look as well, you got to do the same thing again, but make sure this time the bun is a bit lower. Twist your hair and secure it with a bobby pin. Insert the pin right on top of your bun and secure it. With the remaining chain, make a V shape and secure it with the pin as well. Follow the pattern I'm showing to achieve this look.
Don't forget to follow us on our Insta and subscribe to this channel. Yes, guys.